Everyone, welcome back to Kainat Quest. Today I have got a tricky puzzle for you. It looks simple, but trust me, your brain will thank you for trying it. But trust me, your brain will thank you for trying it. But trust me, your brain will Make sure you
thank
have
you
a
for
pen and
trying
paper
it.
ready because this
But
is
trust
not
me, your
just for
brain
fun.
will
Make sure you
thank
have
you
a
for
pen and
trying
paper
it.
ready because this
But
is
trust
not
me, your
just for
brain will
fun. Make sure you
thank
have
you
a
for
pen and
trying
paper
it.
ready. Solving puzzle
Because
actually
this
makes your
is
brain
not just
faster,
for fun. Make sure
your
you have
logic
a pen
sharper,
and paper
and
ready.
your problem
Solving
solving
puzzles
skills
actually makes your
stronger.
brain
Faster,
faster,
your logic sharper, and your problem
Solving
solving
puzzles
skills
actually makes your
stronger.
brain
Faster,
faster,
your logic sharper, and your problem solving skills.
Most
People get stuck on the first line. Will you? Let's see. I want to
Most
see your
people get stuck
answers
on the
in the
first line.
comments. And
Will
don't
you?
just write the
Let's
answer.
see.
Tell
I
me
want to see
how
your
you got it
answers on the
in the
first line.
comments. And
Will
don't
you?
just write the
Let's
answer.
see.
Tell
I
me
want to see
how
your
you got it
answers on the
in the
first line.
comments. And
Will
don't
you?
just write the
Let's
answer.
see.
Tell
I
me
want to see your
how you got 2
answers
plus 1
in the
is equal
comments.
to 6.
And don't
4
just
plus
write
2
the
is
answer.
equal to 18.
Tell me how you
If
got
6
it.
plus 3 is equal to 27,
4 plus
then
2 is equal
what
to
will be
18.
the 8 plus 3? If
2
6
plus
plus
1
3 is
is
equal to
equal to 6.
27,
4 plus
then
2 is equal
what
to
will be
18.
the 8 plus 3? If
2
6
plus
plus
1
3 is
is
equal to
equal to 6.
27,
4 plus
then
2 is equal
what
to
will be
18.
Look the at 8 these plus numbers.
3? If 6 plus 1
Looks
is equal to
innocent,
27,
right?
then
But
what
there's
will
a
be
hidden
the 8
trick.
plus 3?
Can you
Looks
spot it?
innocent,
Right? But there's a
Look
hidden
at these
trick.
numbers.
Can you
Looks
spot it?
innocent,
Right? But there's a
Look
hidden
at these
trick.
numbers.
Can you
Looks
spot it?
innocent,
Don't scroll ahead. Grab your
but
pen.
there's a
I
hidden
want
trick.
to see real
Can you spot
thinkers
it?
today. Don't scroll ahead. Grab your pen. I want to see real thinkers today. Don't scroll ahead. Grab your pen. I want to see real I'll be reading the most creative answers. The more unique your explanation, the higher chance I pin it. The more unique your explanation, the higher chance I pin it. The more unique your explanation, the higher chance I pin it. Here's a thought. Why do we even solve puzzles like this? It's not just to pass time. Every puzzle you attempt trains your brain to think logically, improves patience and focus, prepares you for real life problem solving, many interactive challenges, solving methods. Comment what you get and tell me why you think it works the way it does. Comment what you get and tell me why you think it works the way it does. Comment what you get and tell me why you think it works the way it does. Pause 15 to 20 seconds for the answer for the thinking. Look at it carefully. Sometimes the pattern is hiding in plain sight. Think of it like a secret code. If you can crack it, you are training your brain to notice small details, which helps in exams, work, even daily life decisions. Some people see the answer instantly, some take 10 minutes. Which one are you? I'm not giving hints. I want your brain to sweat a little, comment your answers, and explain your thinking. The logic could be the same as the main puzzle. Every time you struggle and eventually solve a puzzle, your brain releases dopamine. It's like a reward system for learning. Feeling proud yet? Take a moment, write your answer, think, don't rush. Real problem solving takes patience. If you solved it, comment below how you figured it out. I want to see different ways of thinking. Some might surprise me. Imagine this. You have 8 tables in a classroom. Each table has 3 books. But there's a hidden rule. Multiply in a secret way, like this puzzle. How many books do you get? Think about it. This kind of thinking helps in budgeting, planning, even daily tasks like cooking or shopping efficiently. Yes, we are solving a puzzle, but your brain is learning observation, pattern, recognition, and creativity. You are training your future self. Try to solve it, comment your answers, and tell me your logic. Remember, the process matters more than answer. Okay? I repeat, remember the process. Remember, the process matters more than answer. That's the value of problem solving. I repeat, remember, the process matters more than answer. That's the value of problem solving. I'll read the most interesting comment and maybe feature it next live. Amazing work, everyone. Hope you tried all the puzzles, commented your solutions, even if you didn't get it right. Attempting it has already trained your brain. If you enjoy the puzzle and want more brain challenges, hit the like button and subscribe to Kainat Quest and click the bell icon and click the bell icon. Share your most creative logic in the comments. I am reading them all. Remember, some answers are simple, some are tricky. Can you crack the next puzzle? Can you crack the next puzzle faster than anyone else? Let's find out in the next live stream. Today's puzzle looks simple, but don't fool yourself. This pattern defeats more than you think. Here it is. If 2 plus 1 equals 6, 4 plus 2 equals 18, 6 plus 3 equals 27. So 8 plus 3 equals question mark. Drop your answer in the chat. And don't just give the number. Explain the logic you used. Remember, I'm not telling you the method. That's your job. This stream is about making your brain work, not spoon feeding you. If you feels easy right now, trust me, that confidence usually disappears in the next 10 minutes. Most people guess the answer without even noticing the hidden shift in the pattern. So don't rush. Try to see the connection, not assume it. Why we solve puzzles. And before you jump away, here's why we are doing this. Solving puzzles like this forces your brain to break the habit of lazy thinking. Every time you attempt a puzzle, your brain builds new pathways. That's literally how intelligence grows. So don't think you are wasting time. You are training your mind to think sharper, faster, and deeper. Now, what do you think? 8 plus 3 equals? And more important, why does it equal that? Here's the trick most people miss. They look at the numbers, but not the relationship between the numbers. If your first answer was quick, rewrite it. Quick answers are usually shallow. Drop your logic in the chat. Half the fun is seeing how different brains thinking in different ways. Some people see multiplication here. Some see addition. Some see a pattern across all lines. some see a jump in the last one. Which category are you in? Pattern recognition is the first skill behind math, coding, business, and problem solving. These small puzzles rewire your brain to detect patterns faster. Imagine what happens when you do this every day. All right, chat, what's your logic? Don't just type a number, type the reason. Use these lines in rotation. They are built to keep. If your answer feels too simple, check again. Most people underestimate how tricky this pattern is. I will tell you this. If you found the pattern in less than 20 seconds, you are probably wrong. Real patterns don't jump in your face. You need to dig. I am seeing different answers in the chat. Interesting. That tells me only one thing. People are focusing on the wrong step. Look at the first question again. Now the second. What changed? What repeated? What transformed? Your brain grows when you struggle. That discomfort you are feeling. That discomfort you're feeling. That's progress. Keep solving. Don't copy anyone else's answers. If you rely on others, you will never build your own logic. Alright? You have got 10 seconds to double check your logic before we lock in your answer. Type it now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kainat Quest. Today I have got a tricky puzzle for you.